Well sought after Tippit built duplex. Corner lot. Attractively landscaped lot. Aerial view of property's location. Another aerial view of the property's location. Luxury vinyl plank flooring stretches throughout the first level as well as the primary bedroom and baths on the second level. View of the living area from the kitchen, door on the right accesses the attached garage. Well-designed kitchen offers ample granite-topped counters and cabinets, stainless steel appliances, farmhouse-style sink, and pass-through to the living area. Guest bedroom or third bedroom on the first level offers luxury vinyl plank flooring, ceiling fan, custom window blinds, and attached bath. Guest bath, or third bathroom, is outfitted with tile tub surround, granite countertops, and Johnny cabinet. Interior utility room is conveniently positioned next to the staircase and has an additional storage cabinet. Staircase ascends to the second level. Primary bedroom boasts luxury vinyl plank flooring, ceiling fan, can lights, and custom window blinds. Primary bathroom offers twin vanities flanking the large, tiled shower enclosure. A close-up view of the vanity granite and the shower. Another view of the primary bathroom, back door accesses the huge closet. Detailed view of the primary bathroom's shower enclosure. View of the voluminous walk-in closet. This bedroom also offers luxury vinyl plank flooring, ceiling fan, custom window blinds, and very large walk-in closet. Third bathroom, attached to the third bedroom, has tiled tub enclosure, granite-topped vanity, and Johnny cabinet for extra storage. Large walk-in closet attached to the third bedroom. View of the back of the property. The back and sides of the property are clad in smart plank siding, a concrete product, thus will not be affected by wood rot. Privacy fence encloses the backyard and divides the units.